In this video, I'll show you how to create a wiki in Notion. First, open Notion and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, click New Page and give your wiki a name, such as Team Wiki or Knowledge Base. Next, add a short introduction to explain what the wiki is for. Then create new pages for different topics by typing /page or clicking the plus new page option. You can create pages for guides, policies, meeting notes, projects, or any other information you want to organize. Now, organize your wiki by creating sections and nesting related pages under a main page. This makes it easier to navigate and keeps your information well organized as your wiki grows. After that, customize each page by adding headings, tables, images, checklists, callouts, code blocks, or links to other pages. You can also link related pages together to help people quickly find the information they need. Finally, click the Share button if you want to collaborate with your team. Invite other people to view or edit the wiki, and continue updating it as new information becomes available. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a wiki in Notion. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.